Nikolaos Koutouzis or Koutousis was born on 1741. Died 1813. He was a Greek painter, poet and priest. He was part of the Heptanese School, but also a member of the Modern Greek Enlightenment in art. His teacher was the painter Nikolaos Doxaras. Koutouzis has 136 paintings attributed to him. He was one of the last Greek painters to incorporate the Venetian style during its decline, due to the fall of the Republic of Venice. He was the teacher of Nikolaos Kantounis, who was heavily influenced by his style.